Live in the jungle. Oh my god, in the heart of a bright, beautiful jungle lived a cute little lion cube named Leo. He had a fluffy golden mane, big curious eyes, and the tiniest roar. You are roar monkeys giggling, parrots walking playfully. The animals laughed poor Leo, who wanted a big roar like a real lion. Leo felt a little sad, but he had a big idea. I will go find my roar, he said. So he went padding down the jungle path, looking all around the jungle. Soft footsteps were chirping. Soon Leo met a wise old turtle named Gentle Plop of Water. Do you know where my animal lion is? Leo asked the smile. Sometimes, little ones, you find your roar when you help someone else. Suddenly, Leo heard a voice help. Help from a parrot. It was a Pip the parrot stuck in a bush rustling leaves. Leo rushed over. Don't worry, I will help you. With a gentle tug, Leo pulled the vine, leaves tearing softly, and out flew Piply and Happy Flap Flap. Cheerfully chirped, thank you, Leo said Pip. And then something amazing happened. A big echoing roar. Leo found his roar. The animals stopped and stared. Wow, said the monkeys. Oh, hooray! Leo chirped. Happy ending, jungle friends. From that window, Leo the lion was known not just a god, but for his kind, his too much happy. Jungle animals cheered and happily music, and every time he helped up, his roar grew even stronger in the jungle. Thanks for joining Leo in his jungle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We will see you in the next time for more fun and more roars. Love you all. Thank you. Bye bye.